Hey guys, what's happening? Jamie here from Unbox. Today we're going to be taking a look at Oppo's newest selfie expert, the Oppo F7. As expected, the new phone has a massive camera for taking awesome selfies, as well as AI smarts thanks to MediaTek's new P60 chipset. The F7 also serves as a showcase of sorts that promises to deliver better images and performance through AI. So join us for this unboxing and our first impressions of the Oppo F7. Once you open up the package, you'll see the phone itself, the free silicone case, documentation for the phone, a USB charger, micro USB cable, and a pair of headphones. The F7 definitely looks like a premium device. The glossy red review unit that we received really does stand out from the mid-range phones we've been getting lately. Though once you get up close and personal, you may notice a few things. The rear of the phone, for example, is made out of clear acrylic and not glass as we initially thought, though Oppo says that they've infused it with a special coating that makes it stand out from the pack. The frame of the phone is also plastic as well, though you'll really have to scrutinize it before you'll notice. The 16-megapixel rear camera is tucked in the upper left side of the device with a fingerprint scanner towards the center. Oppo's F7 is the latest Android phone to use a large 19:9 display with a notch. The 6.23-inch display is pretty big, has a resolution of 2280 by 1080, and very small bezels on the sides and bottom. The notch on top of the display holds a 25-megapixel front camera with an aperture of f2.0 that has a Sony IMX576 sensor. If you're not a fan of the notch, unfortunately there's no software fix to turn it off just yet like the P20 Pro, though Oppo reps say they may be implementing this feature in the future. The notch can also be used to multitask with small icons appearing on the side when the phone's in landscape mode. Oppo's newest phone is the first to use MediaTek's new Helio P60 processor. The new chipset is the first AI-infused piece of silicon from the Taiwanese firm, with the company promising several improvements over non-AI capable processors. The P60's camera smarts can automatically detect different shooting situations and adjust settings accordingly to produce the best picture possible. MediaTek's new chip also intelligently detects power consumption and adjusts settings depending on your use to squeeze as much milliamp hours as possible before your phone needs to be topped up. Oppo's also improved the software to work in tandem with the front camera. They've managed to increase the AI beauty points that the camera uses to 292 from 260, and the camera can now apply AI beautification features to 4 faces from just 1 from the previous model. As far as performance goes, the Helio P60 processor feels fast and is a definite improvement over the P23 chipsets. It's easily capable of running most Android games in decent quality settings. That bigger 3400 mAh battery also gives you more runtime before it charges, though the lack of quick charging is a bit disappointing. With a brand new processor, new AI tricks, and a brilliant display, the F7 looks to be Oppo's best selfie expert yet and is set to retail for $17,990 when it launches on April 19. Pre-orders will start on April 12 though. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell. If you have any questions about the Oppo F7, leave them down in the comment section and we'll try to get to them as soon as we can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook as well. This is Jamie, and I'll see you next time.